Let's get started. Aging. It's the one thing we all wish we could slow down. And while we can't stop the clock entirely, there's good news. The food you eat can have a dramatic impact on how quickly, or slowly, you age. A growing body of research shows that certain foods not only help you look younger, but can also extend your life. By incorporating these age-defying foods into your diet, you'll be giving your body the best tools to stay youthful and healthy. Let's dive into the top 5 foods that can help reverse the signs of aging and boost longevity. 1. Blueberries, the antioxidant powerhouse. When it comes to fighting aging, blueberries are like nature's little superheroes. These tiny berries pack a powerful punch, loaded with antioxidants that can protect your skin and cells from damage. How blueberries combat free radicals. One of the main reasons we age is due to free radicals, unstable molecules that damage our cells and speed up the aging process. Blueberries are rich in antioxidants, which neutralize free radicals and slow down that damage. Nutrients in blueberries that promote longevity. Aside from antioxidants, blueberries are full of vitamins and minerals essential for longevity. Vitamin C, your skin's best friend. Vitamin C, abundant in blueberries, helps boost collagen production, which keeps your skin firm and youthful. Want to ward off wrinkles? Blueberries are your go-to snack. Anthocyanins, nature's wrinkle fighter. Anthocyanins, the compounds that give blueberries their deep blue color, help protect your skin from the harmful effects of UV rays. This means fewer wrinkles, age spots, and sun damage. 2. Avocados, the ultimate healthy fat. Avocados are the creamy, delicious fruit that your body will thank you for eating. Packed with heart-healthy fats, they're a must-have for anyone looking to age gracefully. Healthy fats for heart health and youthful skin. Avocados are loaded with monounsaturated fats, which help maintain your heart's health and keep your skin hydrated. If you want to keep your skin plump and smooth, these fats are crucial. Avocados' role in reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of aging and disease. Avocados contain compounds that reduce inflammation, helping to keep your body functioning like a well-oiled machine. Omega-3, the brain protector. Omega-3 fatty acids found in avocados are vital for brain health. They can help improve cognitive function and reduce the risk of age-related mental decline. Vitamin E, a defender against aging cells. Vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant found in avocados, helps protect your cells from oxidative damage, one of the key contributors to aging. Here's some good news. You can indulge in dark chocolate without feeling guilty. Rich in antioxidants, it's a tasty way to fight off aging. Dark chocolate is packed with flavonoids, which have been shown to improve heart health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, 2 key factors in living a longer life. Flavonoids not only support heart health, but also enhance skin elasticity. This means fewer wrinkles and a more youthful appearance over time. Who knew chocolate could be such a beauty booster? Not all chocolate is created equal. Opt for dark chocolate that contains at least 70% cocoa to get the maximum anti-aging benefits. Leafy greens, the nutrient-dense heroes. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are packed with nutrients that help your body stay young. These veggies should be a staple in your anti-aging diet. Leafy greens are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like calcium and iron, all of which are essential for maintaining youthful skin, strong bones, and overall health. Eating these greens regularly can help improve bone density and protect brain function. 2 key aspects of staying youthful inside and out. Vitamin K, especially found in kale and spinach, plays a critical role in bone health by helping your body absorb calcium. Strong bones equal a longer, more vibrant life. Lutein, present in leafy greens, supports eye health and protects against age-related vision problems. Keeping your vision sharp is another step toward maintaining your independence as you age. Fatty fish, the omega-3 miracle worker. Fatty fish like salmon and sardines are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for longevity and youthfulness. These fish are among the richest sources of omega-3s, which protect your heart, brain, and skin. Incorporating fatty fish into your diet can reduce your risk of chronic diseases and improve your overall health. Omega-3s are well known for their heart protective benefits. They lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve brain function, keeping your mind sharp as you age. Two specific types of omega-3s, EPA and DHA, are critical for longevity. They've been shown to reduce the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and dementia. Regular consumption of fatty fish has been linked to a lower risk of diseases like Alzheimer's and arthritis, two conditions that can seriously impact your quality of life as you age. Add these superfoods to your diet today. Aging is inevitable, but that doesn't mean we can't slow it down. By incorporating these 5 superfoods into your daily diet, you'll be giving your body the tools it needs to stay youthful and vibrant for years to come. Blueberries, avocados, dark chocolate, leafy greens, and fatty fish aren't just delicious. They're your secret weapons in the fight against aging. So why wait? Start making these foods a regular part of your meals, and you'll be amazed at the difference they can make. What other foods can help with anti-aging? Other foods like nuts, seeds, and green tea can also provide anti-aging benefits by protecting cells and reducing inflammation. How quickly can I see results from eating these foods? Results vary, but you may notice improvements in skin texture, energy levels, and overall health within a few weeks. Ready to level up your healthy aging game? Subscribe to Vitality Vibes for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a beat. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite healthy aging hack or asking any questions. Let's age gracefully together.